Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on Messenger group with the updated steps. Let's go through the process together. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device to get started. Step 2. Navigate to the Messenger group that contains the message you want to delete. Step 3. Long press, tap and hold on the specific message you wish to remove within the group chat. Step 4. Select More from the options that appear after long pressing the message. Step 5. Tap on Remove from the list of options to begin deleting the message. Step 6. Lastly, tap on Remove for You to confirm that you want to delete the message for yourself only. By following these steps, you can efficiently delete a message on Messenger group using your Android device. Remember to use this feature responsibly and ensure you are certain about deleting the message. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this updated guide has been helpful in assisting you with managing messages within Messenger groups. Enjoy a more organized group chat experience with these deletion options.